Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your ForexHost VPS using a Windows computer. It's very simple. Step number one, go to your email and find the email where ForexHost has sent you their credentials for your VPS right here. Step number two is you need to go to your Start button, bottom left, and click Remote Desktop Connection. Once this pops up, what you need to do is under Computer, copy your main IP, show more options, and you need to put in username, which is administrator. Paste that there and connect. Next, this window will pop up asking for your password. All you need to do is copy the root password, paste it, and hit OK. Yes. And now you've successfully connected your ForexHost VPS on a Windows device.